Welcome back to my channel for another video. This video is in reference to Senator Ben Cardin, who you see on the photo to your right, and his junior aide, former junior aide, Aidan Maese-Czeropski, and I do hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, has been linked, allegedly, to a film that involves former aide Czeropski and another individual, allegedly of the same sex, that was filmed at a Capitol Hill hearing room. More specifically, the Hart Senate Building. And ladies and gentlemen, those of you who may not know, this is in the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. So before I go any further, let me present the disclaimers, because they are needed. First is the Fair Use Act. Under Section 107 of the Copyright Act of 1976, which states allowance is made for fair use of copyrighted material for purposes of commentary, criticism, news reporting, research, education, teaching, and or scholarship. It provides for the legal, non-licensed citation and or incorporation of copyrighted material by others which might be infringing under other circumstances, and most definitely needed. Viewer discretion disclaimer. The following broadcast contains mature, and I do mean emphatically, mature themes and situations, and this is a situation intended for adults. Viewer discretion is advised. So, now that the formalities have been provided, let's get into this story that many may find disturbing and or shocking. As I mentioned earlier at the top of the broadcast, Aidan Maese-Czeropski, who you see to your left, and the photo in the middle, which has a little record icon, is taken from, allegedly, a video that was leaked that depicts the former aide to Ben Cardin involved in an entanglement, if you will, with another individual in the Hart Senate Office Building hearing room. Now, I am not, under any circumstances, playing that video or any portions of it. I will be playing a short clip from WJZ under fair use, and I also implore you, as always, to conduct your own independent research. So basically, it is alleged that a tape of two individuals, one including the gentleman you see to the left on the photo, former aide to Senator Ben Cardin, involved in a lewd act. And what's disturbing, other than the story alone, is the fact that it was actually filmed. Now, what you do with whom you decide to do it with is your business. I am not here to render judgment on anyone, but it is my belief, and again, disclaimer, the views and opinions are mine, and it is not meant to shame, humiliate, bully, harass, nor is there any malicious intent towards any group or groups, but it is just my opinion that any type of physical interactions that are intimate should be private. And perhaps, and I don't know how anyone could feel as though in a Senate office room you have any expectations of privacy. At least from my optics. Perhaps I'm way off. I don't believe that I am. But obviously, if this alleged story is true, the individuals involved obviously didn't feel that privacy would be an issue. Most notably about this particular hearing room where this act took place allegedly, it hosted the Supreme Court nominees and the 9/11 Commission meetings. Cardin's office made a comment basically stating that they will have no further comment on this personnel matter. And according to reports, Aidan Maese-Czeropski stated that this has been a difficult time for me, as I have been attacked for who I love to pursue a political agenda. Also, he stated, while some of my actions in the past have shown poor judgment, I love my job and would never disrespect my workplace. Well, you did, because again, engaging in a physical act at your place of work is disrespectful, not only to your job, in my opinion, but your co-workers. Further, he ends with, any attempts to characterize my actions otherwise are fabricated, and I will be exploring what legal options are available to me in these matters. So, let me quickly share a little snippet that basically corroborates this story. And again, this is fair use courtesy of WJC. For those of you who decide to view videos, please remember viewer discretion is advised. And I will start it here.
Personnel matter. Meantime, the staffer who was fired has also responded in a LinkedIn post saying he would never disrespect their workplace and that he will explore legal options available to him.
So, that was a short snippet, as I mentioned, in reference to, again, former junior aide to Senator Ben Cardin and his departure, if you will, from his position amid allegations of a filmed lewd act at a Capitol Hill office building. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video or any of the videos on this channel, please give it a big thumbs up and leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section. Until next time, thank you and bye-bye for now.